Guys, there's a lot of fresh. Whole market chala bagundi. Market.
Look at this rock. It just fell down from a hairpin number 4. Oh my god. Look at
Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer. Guys, today we saw a beautiful thing. Look at that. Guys, you might be thinking this is a ground where people play football and all those things. But guys, everyone was saying, okay, this was a field, but nothing is growing there. This is a cultivation and all. Guys, but in map, this is a lake.
oh my
Oh,
god.
yeah.
This is all the moss
Underground there is lot of hidden things.
Yeah, guys, it's all algae, right?
Yeah.
Kind of African mosses,
it's-
guys. Full of that and
If you think it's a crop and you step inside, you will go down.
yeah, it is that
Because
deep.
it's
It is
a
that deep.
So I
Yeah.
found out one thing in
What is that?
this is chameleon.
What is that?
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
You just scared
Oh.
it away. What? Gone.
It's gone.
there. It's there. It hasn't gone. We are not able to see because it's
I'm not
the color.
Can you please show? I'm actually not able to see it.
Can you see? Look direct there.
Grey with a glass. Oh
Yeah, it's gone.
Guys, I'm not able to see anything.
She's wearing a sunglasses,
You
guys.
can see there are a lot of cranes there. Group of cranes standing there.
Yes, guys.
Oh my
I think they're fishing there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a lot of
Walking over the water.
Yeah, guys, amazing visuals.
Someone can actually think this is a field like me and they can, you know.
You know?
Crane standing on the water. So it's actually
Oh my
it's like
god.
a top of their like anti
We, you know, what would have happened if we have not checked map? We will just run.
And then I doesn't know swimming. I will be, you know, fighting for survival shit. I just stepped on shit. Oh my
Guys, this is there is a lot of shit here. Okay, and
It's fine. The beautiful
yeah,
view
view is amazing. Nothing matters. Yeah. Carefully walking here.
Oh my god.
Guys, we are going through a small narrow road here. I think we are going through a village. Drix is trying to read the boards here, but I don't think she'll find much board. It's all a residence area. Oh, Drix, there is a shop on the right side. Can you see?
But there is no board. Nothing written.
Nothing written on the board. Beautiful place, guys. Bye. Guys, we reached the town area. There is this is Narsipatnam Town Police Station. Narsipeta, guys. They are taking tap, fighting for water. I think that is the only tap water, drinking water that's
they
available.
stand in line, guys. You should follow particular
queue.
line. If you miss and if you come front, there will be a big
Fight. Guys, I think this is for a marriage function. There is a lot of guys that lorry is for a marriage function. Guys, on the way we saw this beautiful market, which is a village market. There's a lot of people here and a lot of vegetables.
Okay guys, there is no proper name for this market. This is a local market. There is a bigger market on the other side. And this is Narsipatnam market. And you can see all the fresh vegetables here. We're farmers or either distributors. Okay guys, these are the farmers. They have bought this all vegetables fresh
From their farm?
From their farm, and they're selling
Selling it here.
Yeah. So you can have a look at all types of
Guys,
vegetables.
this is potato. I think this is actually really fresh and organic because there is different sizes and you can see small potatoes and big potatoes, guys.
Drumsticks. We have beerataya. We have allam, which is ginger.
Guys, onions, chilies, carrot, fresh carrots.
Freshly rooted carrots and very fresh tomatoes.
These are normal rates, but the only thing is we'll get very fresh vegetables, and tomato is the main cultivation here also. I just asked him and he said tomato is the main cultivation here.
Okay. So there's a lot of women also who are selling this. Guys, there's a lot of fresh. What is this? Akka, idi ennadu?
Potlakaya.
Anapakaya.
Anapakaya.
Anapakaya. Water god. Bottle guard. Wow. Akka, eppadi irukku? Nalla irukka? Ella naru. Guys, there's a lot of fresh vegetables over here. There's a lot of farmers selling because I can see he just came from.
Arrangement is
He just came with his bike with a a packet full of vegetables that he freshly got from his farm and selling it over here.
This is groundnut, guys. I think this is the fresh groundnut.
and I can see a lot of mud in that. I think this is the fresh.
Freshly, and also I can see a lot of cones. Guys, this area is filled, one full stretch filled with this type of markets, that is farmers selling it. His grandma have all these big varieties of things freshly made from her farm. So cute. She's got a very cute smile. Yeah. They are taking it to their home in baskets. Guys, there's a lot of lemons over here. This whole market is filled with farmers, guys. It is very sunny and everyone is using their vessels, and also
And
there
this is something different I saw. Like I think they're protecting themselves. Hi.
There is a small umbrella like stand they made.
I think it's a DIY thing made from palm leaves.
Akka, nalla irukku glass.
Glass nalla irukku.
Super.
Glass బాగుంది.
బాగుంది.
చాలా బాగుంది.
Guys,
Only one word, చాలా బాగుంది, and I am adjusting with that everywhere. I think Neva and Rich is missing.
yeah, guys, we are struggling to understand the language. We'll go to this area and come back. Guys, we came to the other side of the same road.
Yes.
Guys, there is a lot of
vegetables.
the brinjal we saw in the farm before.
I think this is the fresh one.
Yeah, these are all the fresh one. Gongura. Gongura leaves, guys. This is pickle, pickle, gongura pickle.
Pickle.
Fresh curry leaves, coriander, guys. She's having a lot of, fresh vegetables here. Guys, these are things that we see in the fields like weed, that we generally categorize as weed, but they're saying we can eat it. Palakintakora. Guys, it's Palakintakora. Look at that, there is this small flowers there and also leaves. So I saw this for the first time here. There is fresh beans. Guys, there is fresh green peas. The whole market chala bagundi.
Market is it's a fresh ginger, guys.
Guys, look at that. The whole stretch of market, guys. There is guava also. I love it.
I think it's very much ripe.
He's taking it home, I guess.
Yes, banana.
Bananas are there, guys. They took it. They bought 2-3 and they're taking it home. Guys, from here, the whole bananas are starting. There is
So big.
It's very big and it's almost ripening, guys.
There are a lot of other
And also they kept drinking water, and I think it's a small stall for chutney. I think breakfast it is. Anna, bye.
Bye.
A lot of bananas are there, taking it inside. Guys, we explore the whole market. There is a lot more to explore, but we don't have time, and Fortuner is parked over there and we have to get back. We reached in a petrol pump on the way and we're taking full tank diesel, guys. Anna, full tank diesel. Guys, where is the washroom?
Here probably.
Yeah.
We'll search and find.
Look at her going like not able to walk. Yes, we found it over there.
Where?
Those are the Araku Valley,
Oh,
pictures. Are you able to open it? Pull it. There is a bottle in the other. What? Oh, what? That's not a washroom? Guys, it's filled with tires. What about the other one?
Yeah.
Got it. Thank God. Or else you would have gone somewhere over there and like.
Go to the Araku Valley. I have to go somewhere in such place.
Guys, there's a lot of spare parts here. Okay, guys, there is a really heavy wind and this whole dust. This is a very dusty place. You can see the whole petrol pump was, suddenly got, all the sand started flying. They're paying, guys. Done? Done. Okay, guys, we're getting inside. We're starting from here. Guys, we entered forest. This is so beautiful, guys. This whole road is made of cutting the, hills, and it's all like curved roads, guys. Hill area. This is all a hill area. So there will be a lot of, curved. Everyone in the back are like, we are in a
We're like moving left and right.
Some ride is happening inside this.
Oh my God.
Guys, look at the view there. Amazing view, guys. Guys, this is full hill range. Amazing, so green.
Can we see?
Huh?
Can we see waterfalls here?
Yeah, this is the season for waterfalls.
Yeah,
actually.
it's a rainy season, right?
Yeah.
But I didn't see any rain.
But I am expecting waterfalls. Let's see, guys.
A lot of farm areas there. Oh my God. Look at the mountains. Look at the fields below. Yeah.
Look at the road map here. Look at the hairpins.
Map I can see.
Guys, I'll minimize and show it to you guys. Look at that.
It's like a snake.
Yeah, it's a I don't know what kind of a snake is there. Guys, there's a lot of hairpins
I
coming.
think the pressure level also increasing. As we
is
go
your
higher?
Ears
Our ears will be blocked now.
Actually, we are getting a very good air from the windows, guys. Like very cool air. By the more upper we are going, the more cool air we are getting is here.
I think the temperature
God.
also becoming
so
very
nice.
low.
Like the more we are going up, the more cooler the air is becoming, and look at the light falling, the flowers falling down from the trees. We are going really fast.
My ears just popped out. Wait, first hairpin, right? Guys. Yes, guys. Kind of first hairpin. I think there is a lot more. The second one is all our phone's range is gone.
There is no range, no more boxes here.
I was speaking and I was in between the call and the call got cut, guys. So the range is really
I
bad
think
here.
one more hairpin.
One more hairpin, guys. Guys, there are monkeys here. There is a high chance they snatch our camera.
We need to close the windows.
Yes, closing the windows now.
Nice wind outside.
Guys, there's a nice wind here outside. This is a very deep place, guys.
Look at this rock. It just fell down from up, I guess. I'm not sure. One more hairpin. This is our fourth hairpin. Hairpin number 4. Oh my God. Look at this.
We are climbing up.
We are going up and up.
EO found a new remedy to stop vomiting. What is
That is,
it?
we have to keep on speaking.
Yeah,
Then
so that we won't vomit.
We forget
Okay,
about
guys.
vomiting. Guys, try that.
Or do we vomit more after speaking? I don't know.
Guys, almost it's going, the ears everywhere. It's like.
I think my ears are almost blocked. That's why I'm shouting like this. Not saying anything.
I don't think Eve is ever going to vomit, guys. She's just going to non-stop.
She'll vomit on others' face.
This is
Okay, how are the black people now? 5.
the fifth one.
Hairpin.
Guys, this is the 5th hairpin. You say few words. Superb.
Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing.
Shit.
This is mind-blowing now.
Bro.
That guy is
We
almost
just missed an accident.
coming
Guys,
inside
we
the car.
almost hit a bike.
Shit, but that was mind-flying, mind-blowing. Everything.
It was his mistake. He came the wrong way.
And he went inside our car.
Yeah.
Went inside our car.
Yeah, he was not actually, putting the brake.
Guys, there's a tree that fell. I think it's because of the rain.
Or might be someone cut it.
Guys, we started our, which is this hairpin? 6th, 7th hairpin. Guys, the road is down here.
Guys, look at everyone.
Everyone is holding the
You also be careful.
Okay, guys,
How was everyone inside?
Everyone is going like a zero. This is correct. Crushed like a meat patty in a burger. So is the lettuce inside the burger. Sitting in his seat. In my seat. It's actually a garbage bag. We kept it here in the car so we can collect the garbage here. But now we can use it when anyone wants to vomit. You can directly go there and vomit. It's a dual purpose, guys. Dual purpose we have.
we have more garbage covers. Each one will get each cover if they want to vomit.
Oh,
Don't
nice.
mix garbage and vomiting now, okay? Okay.
No. I think I am becoming more tired. I don't know why. Just sitting and I'm getting tired, guys. You guys are also getting tired, right?
Guys, Suru is driving really fast because we are stopping in a lot of places and we are delaying it. That's why. Yeah. Guys, we have to go there and actually spend more time. That's why he's going really fast.